Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to add Epic games to your Steam games library. So from any browser available on your PC, go ahead and look for Epic Games. And once you're in here, just go and sign in to your account. So if you don't have account yet, just log in first, then you may continue. So just tap this word here, sign in, and then you can sign in using any of your devices. So it's easy for you to do that, or you can sign it with an Epic Games account already. So if you have that one, then just tap login now and then wait for it to load, and there will be a security code that will be sent to you. In order for you to continue, just input that one, and then here you are now already signed in to your account. Just tap on account, and then we want to go to your account settings over here, and let's tap on this one, apps and accounts. So as you can see, we have here the apps and accounts option. So under accounts, just go and tap Steam, and then you can tap connect. Wait for it to load, and here there will be a link to your Steam account, and all you have to do is just to sign in with your account name and your password there, and just sign in to your Steam account. Just type in the code that will be given and just accept it all, and there you go. So once you're all done with this process, just tap sign in and you're good to go now. So hopefully this is informative. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.